How to create Instagram post with Canva app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make an Instagram post with Canva fast and easy. So all what you have to do, go to Canva app like this, and this is the home page as you can see. Now go down and click on this plus icon right here, click on it like this, and it will give you many options right here. Now you should choose the Instagram post option right here, and it will take you to this page right here. Now you have Instagram post templates to edit as you want. There is many ones. Let's just choose this one for example, and as you can see now you can edit the text, the photo, and everything. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.